If you've ever thought about launching an influencer campaign, I want you to check this out. Imagine having the former president of Mexico star in your influencer campaign. And before I tell you about how to do it, before I share with you how this works, I want to delve into a few influencer marketing statistics. 65% of influencer marketing budgets increased in 2020. That's nearly 2/3 of marketers increasing their budgets for influencers because they understand the ROI, the benefit of tapping into already warm audiences and having higher conversion rates. Now, the most popular influencer marketing budget is $1,000 to $10,000 a year, but the second most popular, it's $100,000 to $500,000. So you can see how often small micro-influencer campaigns are being used, but also those larger campaigns are extremely popular. So do different parts and do different size portions of the industry driving influencer marketing today. And 17% of companies, which may sound like a small percentage, but if you think about this stat, 70% of companies spend most of their budget on influencer marketing campaigns. So obviously these companies who are spending so much, these 17% are probably seeing an ROI from influencer marketing and are repeating. And that's the best way to approach your campaign. So let's get into this. How can we find influencers that are, not typical, sourced in a different way? I want to share a website with you. It's called Cameo, and we can head on there right now. So this is Cameo.com, and Cameo originated as a site for people to create video requests from celebrities and movie stars for relatives. So if you had a birthday, maybe you could get, a little video from Jordan Belfort for $9.97, or Vincent Fox over here. But now look at this new feature that Cameo has added. If we go to Vincent Fox, who, as you can see, the president of Mexico from 2000 to 2006, you can book him for $300, but look at this. You can book for yourself, someone else, or a brand or business. You can hire the former president of Mexico for your brand or business for $1,500. Isn't that incredible? And a lot of marketers aren't considering using Cameo. It's not really current, but people are catching on and prices are rising. So I would check this out. I'm not sure if you would like Donald Trump Jr. in your influencer marketing campaign, but whatever you like, there's an assortment of different people here. We have Robert over here eating a nice lunch. You can see there might be some familiar faces that you recognize. You can go to movies, even Harry Potter. That's a cast of Harry Potter. So you can use these in your influencer campaign. We even have The Office. Look, Office. See, we have some actors from The Office. So as you can see, Cameo isn't your typical influencer platform, and these influencers may not be using their networks, but you can use their faces, and you can use their brand, and you can use their testimonials across your web assets, across all of your content. And this can help with conversion optimization, it can help with sales, it can help with brand recognition if you add this to the correct creative, and if you put this behind ads. What do you think? Will you use Cameo, and is this maybe guerrilla marketing strategy or unique strategy something that you could see being used in the future?